Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can insert a picture in Excel. Now, inserting a picture in your worksheet is an easy way to show information or add visual interest. So if you look at my spreadsheet here, you can see I've got a list of some food items. And I basically want to add an image next to each food item. Right? So to do that, you would simply go up to the Insert tab. So you click on Insert. You would then go to the Illustrations command. So you just click on the drop-down arrow just beneath Illustrations. Then you'd click on Pictures. Okay, so this will allow you to insert pictures from your computer or from online sources. So I'm going to show you both ways. Okay, so if you just click on the drop-down arrow, now, if you wanted to insert a picture from or insert an online picture, you would click on Online Pictures, okay, which is right at the bottom. So when you click on Online Pictures, that will take you into this box here where you'll see, a whole host of online pictures available in this library. Now, what I normally do is I use this search box at the top and search for keywords. Okay, so if you look at my spreadsheet, the first item that I want to search for is chocolate chips. So you would just click on the search box, type in your keyword. Okay, so for me, that's chocolate chips. And then just press enter on your keyboard. And that will then return some search results. Okay, so you can see it's showing me a whole host of options here. Okay, so I've got sort of, chocolate chip cookies. I've got actual chocolate chips available there as well. So I've lots of different options. So it's just a case of selecting what you prefer. So I will go for, let's go for this picture here. Okay, so you would select the picture that you want to add into your worksheet, and you can actually select multiple images. It doesn't have to be just one. So if you wanted to select some more, you can just literally click on others and select multiple images. But for my worksheet here, I only need one image. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one here, and then you click insert. Now that will download the picture into your worksheet. Okay, and there you go, it's already available. So you can actually click on the image, you can resize that image. If you go right at the bottom, just at the bottom of the image, you'll see like a little caption, which is basically giving you a reference of that picture. So you can actually delete that. You can just click on that little caption there and then just press delete, the delete key on your keyboard. Oh, let's do that again. Let's just select the whole box and then press delete on your keyboard. Okay, so now you've just got the picture, and then you can resize this. So I'm just going to press and hold and drag this picture down, okay, so that I can see the corners of this image. So if you hover your mouse over, one of the corners of this image, you will see a double white arrow, which you can then click and hold, okay, and then you can drag it to resize the image. Okay, so I'm just going to make this a little smaller because I want this picture to fit in this box here, right? So you can resize it, you can then move it around, okay? So you can just click and hold on the image and then just drag it around wherever you want to insert it. Okay, so I'm just going to make that a little bit more smaller. Okay, and just put this in the center there. Okay, so that's my first image done. When you click on the image, the picture format tab will appear at the top as well. So this will give you some options to edit the image. So you've got a few options here for editing. You can actually change the color of the image as well. So this will give you some different, sort of color tones and color saturation options. Okay. So you can go for, a different shade of color of that image. You can also put a border around your image as well. I do this quite often just to make it look nice and neat. So if you click on the image, you can then go to the picture styles group. And then where it says picture border, just click on the drop down arrow on the right of picture border, and then you can select the color of the border. Now I usually just go for a nice black color, a black border. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so you can add a border to your image, and that's how you do it. You can also crop your image, by the way. I'll show you that as well. So under the picture format tab, if you go to the size group, you'll see a crop option. Okay, and you can click on crop. Okay, and that will basically put some black lines around the image, okay, which you can use to crop that image. So what you would do is, if I wanted to get rid of this sort of space here, you can hover your mouse over the center black line, okay, and then you would just press and hold your mouse and then just drag your mouse towards the left to crop that image. Okay, and then I can do the same on the other side as well. So if I just hover my mouse over the black center line, okay, and then you'll see sort of a small T, a black T icon once you hover your mouse over it, and then you can just press and hold your mouse and then drag your mouse towards the right to crop the other end, like so. Okay, so once you've finished with your cropping, you can then click into any white cell, and there you go, that's my image cropped. Okay, so that's how you can crop images. Now the other way of inserting a picture is to insert a picture from your computer. So if you've saved a picture on your computer, you can then insert that into your worksheet. So to do that, you would go again back up to the Insert tab. You would then go to Illustrations, go down to Pictures, but then this time you want to click on Insert Picture from this device. Okay, so this will allow you to insert pictures from your computer. So if you click on this device, okay, so this will basically then open up your computer drives. Okay, so you can then search for the images on your computer. So I've got my images saved under desktop. So you would then just locate the image. Okay, so the first image that I want to add is this one. And then you would select the image and then click Insert. Okay, so there you go. So that's how you would add an image that is saved on your computer. And again, if you click on the image, you can resize it. So you can just hover your mouse over one of the corners of the image until you see a white double arrow. You can then click and hold your mouse and then drag your mouse to resize the picture like so. Okay. Now, if you want to add a border to this image, you can. But I'm going to leave that out because you'll see that when I click away from this image, okay, it basically the image blends into the white cell, which looks quite good. So I'm going to leave the black border in this case. Okay, but you can add the border. So if you click on the image, that will take you to the picture format tab already automatically. And then you can go to the picture styles group, click on the picture border icon, and then give that a black border. Okay, and then if you click away, if you click into another cell, you can now see that I've got a black border around my image. Okay, so you can add a border if you want to. Okay, but I'm just going to undo that because I don't want a black border on that image. That looks absolutely fine the way it is. Okay, so that's how you add images from the Excel online library or from your computer. So I hope that's helped. If it has, please do like and share the video. And if you have any questions, then please do put it in the comment section. And do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new updates. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.